The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30
That's a good one, man.
At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodstock, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Algonquin Lake, Indiana The Hills, Mchenry, Woodstock, Hunwood, Fox Lake, Island Lake, Cary, Johnsburg, Lake River, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, Wonder Lake, Lakewood, Pistakee Highlands, Genoa City, Oakwood Hills, Prairie Grove, Richmond, Port Barrington, Bull Valley, and McCullum Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.